eyes and I can see we've loved so dangerously. You're not trusting your heart to anyone. You touch me and something in me grew. When I could have with you, well, I'm not ready to kiss that dream goodbye. When in this sweet there's no say no. I want you so I'm ready to go through the fire to the limit to the one. For a chance to be with you, I'd rather risk it all. Through the fire, through whatever come what may. For a chance to love with you, I'll take it all the way, right down to the wire, even through the fire. Through the tens of time, to the limit, to the wall. For a chance to be with you, I'd rather risk it all, right down to the wire, even through the fire. Through the fire, through whatever, oh yeah. Through the tens of time, through the fire.
Minsan, isang pangako'y may hambing sa isang kastilyong buhangin. Sakdal, lupok at huwag di masaling guguho sa ihip ng hangin. Ano ng maling pagmamahal ang siyang kalaban niyang murtan. Kapag dalampasig ay nahagan, ang kastilyo ay nabubuwal. Kaya't bago natin bigkasin ang pagsintang sumpa sa minumutya sa diwa, pagkaisipin natin kung pag-ibig ay wagas, kahit pa magsanga ng landas. Minsan, dalawang puso'y nagsumpa pag-ibig na walang hanggan. Sumpang kastilyong buhangin pala, pansamantala, luha ang dala. Yan ang pag-ibig na nangyari sa atin. Gumuhong kastilyo